In this video, we will compare the best foldable solar panels available today, breaking down their efficiency, portability, durability, and overall value to help you decide which one truly earns the #1 spot. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Allpowers Foldable Solar Panel. Let's start with the Allpowers 400-watt solar panel. This powerhouse features multi-contact 4 connectors, delivering an impressive 400 watts of solar energy. It is compatible with various solar generators, including Allpowers, 1500, S2000, S2000 Pro, and R4000. You can count on it to provide reliable power even on overcast days, thanks to its remarkable cell efficiency, converting up to 22% of sunlight into usable electricity. The Allpowers 400-watt solar panel is built to last. Its durable ETFE coating protects against harsh weather, while multiple layers of flexible ethylene vinyl acetate and rugged fiberglass enhance its mobility and durability. It is rated IP67 for dust and water resistance, ensuring it withstands the elements. Next up, the Allpowers 200-watt solar panel. This panel is lighter and more efficient, crafted in the United States, and providing the same high efficiency of up to 22%. With its lighter weight, it is incredibly portable, making it an excellent choice for those who are always on the go. Compatibility is key. The Allpowers 200-watt solar panel works with most portable power stations on the market, featuring various connectors to ensure versatility. Constructed with durable waterproof materials and certified for safety, you can rest assured that your devices will receive optimal charging power. Lastly, let's explore the Allpowers 140-watt solar panel. With its multi-contact, 4-output delivering a maximum of 20 amperes, you can easily charge multiple devices simultaneously. It is also incredibly lightweight and compact, perfect for your travels. Number 4. 1500-watt 4-fold foldable solar panel. This 1500-watt folding solar panel features 4 folding brackets, making it incredibly easy to transport and set up. When folded, it measures 550 millimeters by 390 millimeters by 80 millimeters. When fully opened, it expands to a generous size of 1,660 millimeters by 520 millimeters by 20 millimeters. Constructed with high-quality monocrystalline silicon chips and robust ATFE material, combined with 600 denier waterproof fabric, this solar panel is designed to withstand various weather conditions. Its smooth, wear-resistant surface ensures durability whether it is raining or snowing. With an impressive conversion efficiency of up to 22%, the 1500-watt solar panel provides substantial output power. It can deliver an output voltage of 5 volts and a maximum output current of 3 amperes. This means faster charging for all your devices. What is more, this foldable solar panel is compatible with most solar generators on the market. The included connectors allow you to easily connect to various portable power stations, making it a versatile choice for all your power needs. The compact design makes it perfect for travel. Once folded, it easily fits into your backpack, and the panel can be hung using the provided hiking clip for convenience. Not only is this solar panel a simple solution for your power needs, but it is also environmentally friendly. It converts sunlight into electricity, allowing you to charge your personal electronic devices while enjoying the great outdoors. Number 3. POWERWIN PW-S220-220-watt solar panel. The POWERWIN PW-S220 is designed with 4 adjustable angle brackets to optimize solar energy absorption. Weighing just 14.3 pounds, this lightweight panel is easy to transport and set up, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Constructed with honeycomb-textured ETFA waterproof material, this solar panel offers excellent light transmittance of up to 95%. It is wear-resistant, dust-proof, and waterproof, ensuring it performs well in various weather conditions. One of the standout features of the POWERWIN PWS220 is its use of a grade monocrystalline silicon solar cells connected in parallel. This design allows the panel to retain output power from unshaded sections, even if parts of the panel are partially shaded. Unlike traditional series connections, you will not lose all power when conditions are less than ideal. The POWERWIN PWS220 is incredibly versatile. It includes MC4 to direct current connectors and comes with 10 different direct current adapters, compatible with most solar generators on the market, such as the POWERWIN Power Station. Additionally, the panel features 2 USB outputs for charging devices like mobile phones and laptops, along with a fast charging capability of 60 watts and power delivery of 20 watts for quick device charging. This solar panel is not only high-performing, with an output of 220 watts and a conversion efficiency of up to 24%, but it is also portable and easy to install. The integrated handle makes carrying and storing a breeze. Number 2. VTOMAN VS400 Watt Foldable Solar Panel. The VTOMAN VS400 Watt is designed for portability and convenience. This foldable solar panel is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for outdoor tourism and activities such as camping, hiking, or road trips. Its compact design allows you to easily store it in your vehicle or backpack. One of the standout features of the VTOMAN VS400 Watt is its compatibility with most power stations on the market. It includes connectors such as DOC 5521, Anderson X60, and Multi-Contact 4, ensuring you can charge a variety of devices seamlessly. This solar panel is constructed with high-quality monocrystalline silicon cells that boast an impressive conversion efficiency of up to 23%. This means you can harness more solar energy and charge your devices faster, maximizing your outdoor experience. Additionally, the VTOMAN VS400W is rated IP67 for waterproof protection. This means you can confidently use it in various weather conditions, whether it is sunny, rainy, or even snowy. The adjustable kickstand allows you to position the solar panel at the optimal angle throughout the day. Whether it is morning, midday, or afternoon, you can maximize sunlight exposure to ensure efficient energy absorption. The multi-layered laminations enhance module efficiency, featuring durable ETFA ethylene vinyl acetate and black epoxy sheets. This design not only improves the panel's performance, but also ensures it stands the test of time, even in rugged outdoor environments. Number 1. FOXSUR 4-Fold 2000 Watt Folding Solar Panel. The FOXSUR solar panel is designed for reliability and durability. It features a matte polyethylene terephthalate film that is smooth, wear-resistant, and anti-fingerprint. Its impressive waterproof quality means you can use it in any weather conditions, be it rain or snow, without any worries. What makes this solar panel truly special is its portability. Built with 4 individual solar panels, it can be easily folded into a compact size, similar to a tablet. Additionally, it includes hanging holes and a climbing clip, making it incredibly easy to carry in your backpack. The FOXSUR solar panel operates in an environmentally friendly manner. It efficiently converts solar radiation into electricity by absorbing sunlight, allowing you to charge your personal electronic devices while enjoying outdoor activities like hiking, climbing, and picnicking. This solar panel also comes equipped with a 3-in-1 universal serial bus charging cable, compatible with mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and cameras. The cable is braided, ensuring it is durable and resistant to wear and tear. With an output range of 500 to 2,000 watts, this portable solar panel harnesses unlimited solar power wherever there is sunlight. Whether you are in a remote location or at a campsite, you can count on this panel to provide the energy you need. The FOXSUR solar panel features 4 connectors that are compatible with most 5-volt and 12-volt power banks. This high compatibility makes it easy to charge a wide range of devices. There you have it, the top foldable solar panels ranked and reviewed. Whether you are heading off-grid, camping, or preparing for emergencies, the right panel can make all the difference. Drop a comment with your favorite, and stay tuned for more practical gear guides and honest reviews.